Get ready. Start. Sir, I was very glad when I read the address of the president. He said that this government is very seriously considering to establish immediately the institutions of Lokpal and Lok Ayukt. Sir, we have been telling this for years and I think it is high time that this thought was translated into practice. If you have to check this administrative instrument and to check corruption corroding this instrument, we should have moral stature. We politicians, particularly politicians who are in positions of power, must have moral stature. Otherwise, we can never keep this instrument in order. And unless this instrument is put in order, the whole problem is going to be complex and we will not be able to solve the economic crisis. Sir, one more aspect I would like to touch, and that is regarding education. This is one aspect of our life on which there have been a plethora of seminars, there have been a plethora of conferences and numerous reports, but the educational system continues as it is. Sir, I have been a member of the university syndicate. We are spending crores and crores of rupees on producing graduates and postgraduates and PhDs, thousands and thousands of them. For what purpose? What is the plan? What for do you want them in this country? What is happening? We are just preparing fodder for all types of agitations, good, bad, and indifferent. I think all of us know that some of the postgraduates have become Naxalites. Why? They are extremely frustrated. It is a national waste. And what is it that we are getting by spending crores of rupees? Should we not look into this problem? Sir, I would prefer if the government can close down all these colleges for say 10 years, which would perhaps be more useful for this country. Let them train people for some independent living. Let us train them to make a living instead of making them graduates and postgraduates with no goal of life, with no practical knowledge, making them absolutely frustrated and desperate. The third important thing which I would like to touch upon is the problem of soil erosion. I am sorry, people are not realizing the dangers. People have been writing articles on soil erosion. Recently, I happened to meet a scientist on soil erosion. I do not know whether it is an exaggeration, but still,